This door opens up into the largest floor available in South Delhi today. 5 bedroom, 1200 square yards, top floor with terrace in Vasant Vihar. इससे बड़ा फ्लोर वसंत विहार में इन आज की डेट पे अवेलेबल नहीं है. Well, let's go inside and explore this property which has never been covered on YouTube and Instagram. This is fantastic. Come. This large mammoth-sized living room welcomes you, which has got lights, amazing amount of natural light, amazing amount of size. I know, बहुत furniture चाहिए इसको fill करने के लिए. But the people who want size, the people who want extravagant living, but yet want some simplicity in their home, this is the solution to it all. Well, अगर आप एक घर देखते हैं जिसमें you want this size, you want openness, you want natural light, this is a sun-facing house, amazing amount of space available. कुछ लोगों का पूरा घर इतने साइज का होता है जितना इसका living room है. If you see, there are 3 cassette ACs to provide you cooling in this living room. Imagine the size which is there. आप इसको देखिए. Come, let's have a look at it. This is fantastic and the only one available in South Delhi as of today. Well, new height मिलती है बहुत अच्छी and the widest road of Vasant Vihar पे ये घर available है. You get ample amount of parking. There's guest parking also available outside the building, inside the building. You've got a lot of space. Well, now let's go towards this aisle. I'll take a second here for you to imagine the size. And आप एक कोने पे खड़े होके you can very well imagine the depth of the property and how large it is. Well, this is the powder room. Amazing. Right at the entrance. Fittings have yet to come in, but again, this is beautiful. Very well done up. Like I said, this is a minimalistic home. आप अपने हिसाब से काफी कुछ changes कर सकते हैं. This is the first bedroom, more like a guest bedroom with a balcony, ample amount of sunlight, and an ensuite bathroom. Have a look. This is huge. Lot of times clients come to me and say कि हमें किसी का एक डिजाइन एस्थेटिक समझ नहीं आया किसी प्रॉपर्टी का. किसी प्रॉपर्टी में हमें अपग्रेड करना है काफी कुछ. इस प्रॉपर्टी में वो सब एप्लीकेबल है. आप there's lot of space, there's lot of options for you to go ahead and paint the walls as per your own choice, paint the house as per your own choice and requirement. There is a full-fledged store. And a puja room. कई बारी इतना बड़ा फैमिली लाउंज अवेलेबल होता है लोगों के घर में. अगर आप टिपिकली देखेंगे 250 से 300 गज के फ्लोर्स में इतना बड़ा तो लिविंग रूम मिलता है जितना बड़ा आपको फैमिली लाउंज मिल रहा है, which is right opposite the kitchen. And this is mammoth size. And I would request you to have a look. There's amazing amount of greenery right outside. मतलब I'm in awe of this house कि इतना सुंदर घर और मेरे पास इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कुछ भी करने के लिए. लेटेस्ट फिटिंग्स अवेलेबल है, लेटेस्ट डिजाइन है, ओल्ड न्यू सीलिंग हाइट है. एंड कम हैव अ लुक एट द किचन. एज यू कम इन, देयर इज अ ऑप्शन availability of space for a large refrigerator. This is for your microwave oven, and your chimney hob is already provided by Faber. Nice view finished kitchen. Again a balcony with overlooks a lot of greenery. आप इधर खड़े होके देखिए कि कितना green है. This is how Delhi is planned कि कितनी अच्छी greenery है in the good localities. Because of the size, amazing amount of space. There's lot of counter space available, lot of storage space available, a vertical pantry, your veggie stand and a secondary pantry as well. Well, जब आप एक इस साइज का घर देखते हैं जिसमें 5 बेडरूम्स हैं और टिपिकली लार्ज फैमिली के लिए है, they need a lot of storage. इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए the builder has added a lot of features, a lot of storage in every bedroom, in every nook and corner जहाँ पे वो space plan कर सकता था for a wardrobe. And still, there is no compensation for quality, no compensation for greenery. आप देखिए, this is all green and large size bedrooms. Now let's walk into this lovely walk-in closet, a his and a her complete length of wardrobe and an amazing bathroom. इसको कहते हैं लग्जरी। आपके बाथरूम में भी एयर कंडीशनिंग है। Now, when we are back, this is more like a intimate area of your home. You've got 4 bedrooms on the back side. Let's start from the extreme left. Again, a large size bedroom with again a walk-in closet. देखिए, इतनी space, इतना storage, इतनी high spec घर. Well, you can have a lovely dresser out here. Again, an air conditioning possibility and an amazing bathroom. नेचुरल लाइट की कोई कमी नहीं है बिकॉज यू सी दिस whenever you get up. पीछे एक स्कूल है, उसका पार्क दिखता है. There's a lot of greenery and the houses behind are also low heighted. So you are actually on top of the world when you're on the highest floor of this property. Now we come to the 4th bedroom of the house, which is again very vast. Has a walk-in closet, amazing amount of size, king size beds की space है. Let's walk into the wardrobe, which is fantastically built. I see a lot of work of mirror and a vast bathroom counter. I think you should have a look. Well, जब आप इस साइज का घर लेते हैं तो हर किसी की अपना टेस्ट होता है, हर किसी का अपनी चॉइस होती है कि उनको क्या चाहिए. Monotony break करने के लिए the builder has given some wooden flooring in this bedroom. Again has a balcony access, an ensuite bathroom, and a very well done bathroom per se. Well, if in case you want luxury and you want the choice of making things as per your choice, your own architecture, your own interiors, and upgrade your lifestyle, well, this is the solution for you. इससे बड़े घर की किसी को जरूरत in today's environment नहीं है. अगर आप एक घर चाहते हैं, एक अल्ट्रा लग्जरी घर चाहते हैं और बड़ा घर चाहते हैं, mind you, top floor with terrace, this is the solution for you. Well, I'll come back to the main aisle because this is what makes the difference. आपके common areas से nobody can actually look over to the bed, and still you come out of your bedroom, you have visibility of the interior house. You can actually look into who's coming in, what is happening, how is your staff operating the home. But yet space wise fantastic, location wise fantastic. Uber luxury is the location, Uber luxury is the home. Well, in case you're looking for such options for yourself, please get in touch with me. I have the options for you.